iPhone because the quality is
not better than you was, Kelly.
Hello, welcome back.
Welcome back.
I'm here with my youngest daughter, Sky.
Favorite daughter, Sky. Say it. Say it so she has it forever on video.
Favorite daughter, Sky.
What are you making today?
Frisco melts.
Frisco melts.
Oh,
Yeah. So, how do you make a Frisco melt?
a Frisco melt is sourdough bread,
Mm-hmm.
toasted on both sides.
What do you use to toast the bread, Skylar?
What?
What do you use to toast the bread?
Mayo.
What kind of mayo? Is it mayo? Is it salad dressing? Is it Miracle Whip? Is it
mayonnaise?
It's mayonnaise. What kind of mayonnaise? Duke's mayonnaise. Because Duke's mayonnaise is the only acceptable kind of mayonnaise there is.
So take mayonnaise, put a thin coating on.
You know, like you butter bread to make, grilled cheese?
When you're making a toasty, and then you toast this, and then you put some on here and toast both sides. There you go. Now what do?
You take your patties.
Nope.
This one?
You got a hamburger patty with an American cheese or a cheddar cheese,
Uh-huh.
and put that on.
And then what?
Here's some caramelized onions. Just slice up some onions and put them in the pan with some butter and a little bit of salt.
Was it hard to cook them, Sky?
No.
Cook them on medium-low heat until they become slightly brown and soft. Here, put some of
Tasty and
those on
delicious.
there. One at a time.
With what? Your little baby hand tall?
Slow down, you'll get us all killed.
Don't go so fast.
Enough?
Don't put so much enthusiasm into this.
Okay, that's good.
You're so overly excited right now.
Me?
Yes!
Because we have to eat this still. So
Now do your dance.
No.
So you take your second hamburger patty with your Swiss cheese,
Yum.
and then you make Frisco sauce.
What's in Frisco sauce?
2 tablespoons of Thousand Island and 1 tablespoon of French dressing.
Very
Pour
good.
that in there and stir it up.
No, with this.
No, don't do that. Just pour it in there. We're not dirty in 50 bowls. I have some tater tots. These videos are easy when someone else does everything.
Yeah. I get to be the cameraman, the cleanup crew, the prep crew.
You don't clean everything.
I
clean
just
up.
don't wash dishes, but I do everything else.
I'm eating tater tots.
I get to organize. I get to...
We're eating
Stop
tater
eating the
tots.
tater tots and work.
Now what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Gonna put it on there?
Well, yeah. Only if you're going to do your dance. Let me see that sauce. Hold it up here. Let me see it. Is it tasty? Does it taste good?
Why are you sticking your hands in there?
Because this one's mine.
So put you a layer of Frisco sauce on your bread.
Would you like a knife?
Yes.
Let me get one. Now be careful. It's very sharp. What are you doing?
What?
How many times a day do you say that?
All day, every day.
She's not bleeding, is she?
No.
Just rip it apart with your hands.
hold it up.
Can I eat it?
Give it a taste.
Well,
Delicious.
so is that a tasty burger?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So how was that? Was it good enough to dance about? Let's dance then. Come on, just a little dance. Just stand up and a little dance. If it was a good burger, do a little dance. Say goodbye, everybody.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's Frisco Melt.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
Frisco Melt.
Frisco Melt. See you later.
If you have any questions about the recipe, watch the video.
Watch the video. Oh, wait.
Just burp. No, burp.
That's ridiculous. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.